equation. In order to gain the most, you have to know how to convert negatives into positives. Good day everyone! Today we will continue with the discussion on how to solve for the solution of system of linear equations. We're done with graphical and elimination method from the previous videos we had. This time, we will be using what we call as substitution method. First, let's define what substitution is. Substitution is when you replace one thing with another thing. Katulad sa basketball, pag ang isang player ay injured or pagod na sa paglalaro, siya ay papalitan ng iba namang player ng team. Substitution is ideal to use if one of the variables has already been isolated in the original system of equations. Halimbawa nito ay ang equation ng y is equal to negative 2x plus 3. Makikita na ang value ng y ay pwedeng palitan ng negative 2x plus 3. So, umpisa na po natin ang paggamit ng substitution method sa system of linear equations. Halimbawa ay meron tayong equation 1 na x plus y is equal to 6 at ang equation 2 naman natin ay y is equal to 7x plus 8. For this, we will substitute equation 2 with the value of y is equal to 7x plus 8 into equation 1. So, pagka pinalitan natin yon, ang equation 1 natin ay x plus y is equal to 56. Ang mangyayari, yung x, kokopyahin lang natin, at yung y ay papalitan natin ng 7x plus 8. Then, we will copy also yung 56. So, ang equation na natin ngayon ay may value na x plus 7x plus 8 is equal to 56. Then, we can now combine like terms. X plus 7x is equal to 8x plus 8 is equal to 56. Kinopya lang natin yung 8 at saka yung 56. By addition property of equality, itong positive 8, ililipat natin sa kanan ng equation, magiging negative 8. So, that will become 8x is equal to 56 minus 8. And 56 minus 8 is equal to 48. Then, may coefficient tayo ng x na 8. I-divide natin both sides yung equation by 8. So, 8x divided by 8 will be equal to x and 48 divided by 8 will be equal to 6. Therefore, nakuha na ngayon natin yung value ng x na is equal to 6. Since nakuha na natin ang value ng x na 6, ang kukunin naman natin ngayon ay ang value ng y. Paano natin ito makukuha? We will substitute the value of x of 6 into equation 1. So, ang equation 1 natin ay x plus y is equal to 56. Pagka sinubstitute yung 6 sa x, ang magiging equation na ngayon natin ay 6 plus y is equal to 56. By addition property of equality, itong positive 6 ililipat natin sa kanan ng equal sign ay magiging negative 6. So, that will become y is equal to 56 minus 6. And therefore, y will be equal to 50. Next naman, tingnan natin ay kung tama yung value na nakuha natin for x and y sa equation 2. Sa equation 2 ay meron tayo na y is equal to 7x plus 8. Papalitan natin yung x ng 6 at yung y ng 50. 50 will be equal to 7 times 6 plus 8. And 7 times 6 is 42 added to 8. Therefore, 50 will be equal to 50. The left side of the equation will be equal to the right side of the equation. Since pareho sila, masasabi na ngayon natin ang solution set natin for this system of equation will be equal to 6, 50. Example 2. Given are the equations 3x minus y is equal to 26 para sa equation 1. At ang equation 2 natin ay 4x plus 5y is equal to 3. Dito sa example na to, ay mapapansin natin i-isolate ang isa man lang sa variables na ito. Mapapansin natin na mas madaling i-isolate ang value ng y sa equation 1 kaysa sa equation 2. So, gagamitin natin ang equation 1, 3x minus y is equal to 26, para makuha natin yung value ng y. So, para mangyari ito, yung 3x, ililipat natin sa kanan ng equal sign by addition property of equality. Ang mangyayari sa equation 1 ay negative y is equal to negative 3x plus 26. Yung positive 3x, nilipat natin, kaya siya naging negative 3x. And then, ang numerical coefficient ng y ay negative 1. So, kailangan maging positive ito, kaya ang buong equation 1 natin ay i-divide natin by negative 1. So, lahat ng signs ay mapapalitan. Kaya ang equation na ngayon natin for the value of y will be equal to 3x minus 26. Ang nakuha nating value ng y na 3x minus 26 ay isa-substitute ngayon natin sa equation 2. Ang equation 2 natin ay 4x plus 5y is equal to 3. Papalitan na ngayon natin ang mangyayari, 4x plus 5, pinalit natin yung y na 3x minus 26 should be equal to 3. This time, ay apply natin ang distributive property. So, we'll have 4x plus 5 times 3x is 15x, and then 5 times negative 26 is negative 130 will be equal to 3. Combine like terms, 4x plus 15x is 19x, minus 130 is equal to 3. Yung negative 130, lipat natin sa kanan. By addition property of equality ay magiging positive 130 plus 3. So, next step will be 19x is equal to 133. Next, we'll have to divide yung buong equation by 19 kasi yun yung coefficient ng x na 19. So, 19x divided by 19 is equal to x, and 133 divided by 19 is equal to 7. So, nakuha na natin yung value ng x na 7. This time, ang kukunin naman natin ay ang value ng y. We will now go back to equation 1 and substitute x is equal to 7. 3x minus y is equal to 26. Ito yung equation 1 natin. Tapos, yung x, palitan natin ng 7. Kaya mangyayari, 3 times 7 minus y is equal to 26. And 3 times 7 is 21 minus y is equal to 26. Yung 21, by addition property of equality ulit, positive 21, nilipat sa kanan, magiging negative 21. So, our next step will be negative y is equal to 26 minus 21, and that will be equal to 5. So, we have here negative y is equal to 5, negative pa yung y, kaya kailangan naman natin i-divide yung buong equation by negative 1. So, our final value of y will become negative 5. Our x is equal to 7 and our y is equal to negative 5. We will now check if our solution x is equal to 7 and y is equal to negative 5 is correct by using equation 2. Sa equation 2, meron tayong 4x plus 5y is equal to 3. Papalitan natin ngayon yung x ng 7 at yung y ng negative 5. So, we will now have the equation 4 times 7 plus 5 times negative 5 will be equal to 3. 4 times 7 is 28 minus 5 times negative 5 is negative 25 is equal to 3. 28 minus 25 is equal to 3 and 3 is equal to 3. The left side of our equation will be equal to the right side of the equation. Therefore, the solution set 7, 50 is our solution to the system of linear